In the world of classic BMWs, few cars command as much respect and admiration as the E30 M3. Built originally as a DTM homologation special in the mid-1980s, it has become a true legend among enthusiasts. Produced primarily as a coupe, with only a handful of convertibles ever made, the E30 M3 was never offered as a sedan. But now, one very special car has surfaced to change that story. A one-off BMW E30 M3 four-door, painstakingly created through years of passion and craftsmanship. Soon, this rare gem will head to auction, giving one lucky collector the chance to own something Munich itself never built. This remarkable project began life as a humble 1989 BMW 318i sedan, equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. Instead of leaving it stock, its creators embarked on a bold journey to transform it into something BMW fans could only dream of, a genuine-looking E30 M3 sedan. The majority of the fabrication work took place in Poland, while final touches were completed in New York, making it a transatlantic labor of love. The result is not a kit car or tribute build, but a fully reimagined Restomod that asks, what if BMW had dared to build a factory E30 M3 sedan? The craftsmanship on this one-off is extraordinary. Custom fiberglass rear quarter panels, a bespoke C-pillar, and a hand-built trunk ensure proper M3 proportions. The car uses OEM E30 M3 rear glass, OEM M3 front and rear seats, crank windows, and a Euro M-Tech 2 steering wheel, adding authenticity to the build. Completing the look are 16-inch OEM BBS Style 5 wheels, which perfectly match the era. And then there's the paintwork. Finished in Zinneberrot red, one of BMW's most iconic shades of the 1980s and early 1990s, the sedan radiates classic Bavarian motorsport energy. Collectors have long adored Zinneberrot, a vibrant non-metallic red with no orange undertones, pure in tone and full of retro charm. Under the sun, it glows in a way that takes enthusiasts back to the golden era of German performance cars. But what really sets this Restomod apart is what lies under the hood. Instead of the original S14 four-cylinder engine that powered the true E30 M3, this bespoke sedan packs the M54B30 inline-six from an E46 330i ZHP. With 3 liters of displacement, this engine produces at least 235 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, more than the stock E30 M3's 192 horsepower. Thanks to aftermarket headers, intake, and exhaust, estimates put output closer to 260 horsepower. That extra power, paired with the lightweight E30 chassis, ensures a driving experience both thrilling and unique. More than just a Restomod, this project embodies the spirit of what could have been. It's not pretending to be something it isn't, nor does it claim to be a factory original M3. Instead, it's a vision brought to life by enthusiasts who wanted to create the sedan BMW never made. And in doing so, they've given collectors a chance at something truly one of a kind. Soon to cross the auction block, the E30 M3 sedan will no doubt draw immense attention. With its combination of rarity, craftsmanship, performance, and story, it represents more than just a car. It's a rolling testament to BMW passion, creativity, and the desire to preserve driving joy. How much will it fetch? That remains to be seen, but for E30 aficionados, this is the opportunity of a lifetime.